Hello teachers, are you tired of making quizzes manually and wasting your free time? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to create an instant quiz under 1 minute using Gemini. Now, let's watch this. Open Gemini, paste your lesson text here. If you have a lesson PDF, you can also upload it. On the bottom, you will find a plus icon. Click it. You will have an option called Upload Files, Add from Drive. You will also upload your file from local system or from the drive. So after adding your file, give a simple prompt like act as a fifth grade teacher based on the text provided. Create a 5 question multiple choice quiz that tests reading comprehension. Include an answer key at the very bottom. After pasting it, press enter. See, instantly you get a quiz. On the bottom, you will have an answer key also. If you want higher level order questions, you can also change it here. Like type make this quiz more complex. See, the higher order level questions also is now generated. You can review the questions here. You can also have the hint also from here, and you can also have the answer. Review the question which you want and then just paste it on the Google form and share it with the teachers. I hope you find this video useful and subscribe to our channel so that you won't miss our regular update. I'll see you on Friday with another quick trick on 3 bullet email summary. Thank you.